if I implement the concepts, whatever you have taught me, it will be in my retention for a long period. And maybe I can also go and tell someone, or even better explain them the standards with some very good examples. So it will make. So for inventory means, first we have to define what is inventory cost. So inventory cost is comprises of three things. One is the purchase cost. Second is the conversion cost, and the third is the other cost and overheads, which goes into the inventory.
Okay.
So once the finished goods are produced and they are sent for valuation purpose. For valuation purpose, we have to take two things into consideration. It has to be the lower of the cost and the lower of the net realizable value. The net realizable value is determined by subtracting from whatever the selling price. The net realizable value is what you are going to actually realize by selling that product. That is the NRV.
Perfect. Superb, sir. How many pages is this, or how many paragraphs is this? Wonderful. Give sir a big round of applause. One dot. Yes.
Please. Around 3-4 pages, sir. Maybe.
Okay. So 3-4 pages, you're able to put it to one page and you're able to explain everything. How easy it is?
It is easy, sir.
It's fantastic. So compared to before, see, it's an accounting subject, I understand, and many of my students who come to our classes, they said, is this really applicable for accounting subjects? Can I really memorize? So what do you have to tell them?
Sir, we have to get the concept, and then we have to picturize the concept in a very nice one. But there are many things within that accounting subject which cannot be picturized. Means you have to know the basic concept before you can even think of a picture of it. But there are certain words.
So now after implementing this technique, what do you feel? Is it job is becoming more easy memorizing?
It will become easy, sir, because there are many accounting standards. So I will try to implement at least some kind of pictorial diagrams for all those, so that I can easily.
How much? Now, Vijay sir, tell me one thing. Sorry for interrupting. Now tell me one thing. If at all you had memorized this concept before coming to my class, in your own method, I don't know what method you were following earlier. After implementing these memory techniques, how much time you have saved, or how fast it is compared to before? How much time would you take in your old method?
In my old way, the basic thing is, sir, I will not be able to recall in the long run. Means I have to be very repetitive in going through the concepts again. But if I implement the concepts, whatever you have taught me, it will be in my retention for a long period. And maybe I can also go and tell someone, or even better explain them the standards with some very good examples. So it will make life easier, not for me, but also for others in the long run.
Fantastic. So can I say earlier you used to take at least half an hour or 1 hour to do this? Now you just did it in 15 minutes. And you're saying your retention is better, and on dot 100% you remembered everything.
Yes, you can see.
Perfect. And next time, sir, when you do this revision of your accounting concept, you don't have to read the page at all. Is it enough that you see this picture, what you have said?
Yes, but I have to make it better drawings. My drawing is very
poor. It's okay. Wonderful. Give sir a big round of applause. Fantastic. Great job, sir.